Waiton Gram Panchayat and Mangal Village Level Federation along with Lining Thau Malem Sembi and Lamaitan Bay Village Level Federations plant over 200 saplings in observation of World Environment Day today. Over 200 saplings were planted across areas under Waiton Gram Panchayat, including Paurabi, Sawombong Chingarel, Tejpur, Waiton, Pangai, Maniyai School and Waidi. Kundrakpam Zilla Parishad member U. Indra Kumar, chairperson of Waiton Gram Panchayat, Konthaujam Kalachan, ward members and local villages among others attended the program. The team also expressed gratitude to Sawombong Forest Office for providing saplings. Meanwhile, Savio English Higher Secondary School, in collaboration with Maitei Huyen Langlon, Singtam Sanglen UFO Thangmaiban branch, planted saplings at Thangmaiban Cherau Ching to mark World Environment Day. Around 150 saplings were planted in the event, participated by Managing Director of Savio English Higher Secondary School, Yumna Shyamlal, President of UFO Thangmaiban branch, K. Ravichandra, members of the UFO Thangmaiban branch and about 100 students from Savio Higher Secondary School. UFO Thangmaiban branch also expressed gratitude to Central Forest Division for providing the saplings. Central Forest Division observed World Environment Day at Nongren Khema Reserve Forest in Imphal East District by planting saplings today. Special Secretary and Conservator of Forests and Environment of State Government R.K. Amarjit, DFO of Central Forest Division Ganesh Nagaranjan, ACF of Central Forest Division, MSF, Range Forest Officers, Inspector 29 Battalion, Decoy, RP Singh were honored with accolades and started a saplings program. Villages of Nongren along with students of Career Foundation English Academy, Napet Pale and public among others attended the event. Meanwhile, Special Secretary and Conservator of Forest and Environment R.K. Amarjit attended the event. As a part of the World Environment Day, Central Forest Division, Forest Department, Government of Manipur, Kanto Awang Laikai Development Committee and Manipur Innovation Society, Imphal jointly organized World Environmental Awareness, Trees Plantation and Nurturing Program under the theme Laikai Laikai Upanbi Tharasi at Kanto Khulin, Laimakhong Riverside and Imphal West. During the event, a total of 300 saplings were planted. As a part of World Environment Day observation worldwide, the Deputy Commissioner of Ziribam observed the day at PHED campus in the district. The observance was organized under the theme Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. District laboratory officials of the department, Keystone Company, PHED and JMC participated in the event. DC Ziribam also inspected the condition of water supply scheme at Kalinagar during